Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm back again at CVS this week to do this week's CVS haul. This might seem like a slow week, but trust me, there are still some deals you'll be able to grab. Let me show you guys what I pick up. The first deal I'll be doing will be on the spend 20 get $10 bag on Bona household cleaners. I'll pick up the mop price at $19.99. That's within the 98% rule. And I'll be using a $3 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available. That will bring it down to $16.99, and I'll get $10 back, making it just $6.99. If you have a percentage off coupon, this will be a good time to use it. But I have a 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT, so I'll be grabbing more items. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 15 on any Chic or Skintimate razor, and you get $5 back. And they are on sale for $6.99. If I pick up 2, I will not be able to get to 15. That means I have to pick up 3, and all 3 of them will total me $20.97. I have a $4 digital coupon that everybody's supposed to have, and I also have some $4 coupons I got from coupons.com. They are no longer available. I hope you have that as well. If I'm doing this by itself, when all 3 coupons come off, I'll end up paying just $8.97. and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items $3.97. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction, only 4 items. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and it worked out very well. All the coupons are applied. It took off the $3 for the Bona mop and also the $4 everything came off. I ended up using $21 extra care box, paid 96 cents out of pocket, and I got back the $10 for spend 20, and I also received my $5 for spending 15 for the Chic. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $6 or $1.50 each. We have 2 axe deals going on at CVS this week. The first one is the body spray. It's on buy 2, you get $5 back, and the body wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'm combining both deals because I want to use the BOGO coupon from Match Unilever. The first one we'll be picking up will be 2 of the body spray, priced at $7.49 each. And I also pick up 2 of the body wash. One will be full price and one will be half off. These are the 4 items I'll be picking up, 2 body spray and 2 body washes. And I'll be using this BOGO coupon we got in our Match Unilever. It will take off $7.49 for each 2 of them. That's when you buy 1 Axe product, you get 1 body spray free. That means it will leave me to pay just $9.74, and I'll get $5 back for buying 2 of the spray and $2 back for buying 2 of the body wash. Then I'll submit my receipt to Fetch. There is a 1,500 points when you buy 2 products. That means I'll be getting back 3,000 points, and all 4 items will end up being free. I have a 10 off of 17 next purchase CRT that printed at the end of my receipt that I'll be adding to this transaction to make it even better. Let me go grab more items. The next deal I'll be adding will be the spend 20 get $10 back on Eucerin. I'll be picking up 2 of the skin calming cream priced at $10.49 each. And I'll use this 5 off 2 coupon we got in last week's savings set, $3.26. That will bring it down to $15.98 if I'm doing this by itself, and I'll get $10 back, making both items $5.98 or $2.99 each, but I'll be adding this to the 10 off of 17 next purchase CRT. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Clairol hair color. It's on buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.49, and we have a BOGO coupon in our app that will apply to this. I also have this $6 off of 2 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available, but the one available right now is 5 off of 2 that will double dip with the BOGO coupon we have in our app. If you don't want to print any, we actually have 2 in our app that will double dip, the BOGO coupon and the 5 off of 2, so you can actually do this deal by itself. But I'll be using this 6 off of 2. When both coupons come off, if I'm doing this by itself, I will end up paying just $4.99, and I'll get $4 back, making both items just 99 cents. Last two items I'll be picking up is not giving back any extra care box, but this is a very good filler item because they are free if you clip both coupons in your app. It's on sale for $5.99 and we have 2 BOGO coupons in our app. If you have both, it will end up being free. I'm going to go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out very well. All my coupons came off. The BOGO coupons are attached and took off $7.49 for the axe. The Air Wick took off $5.99 twice, making both items free. And also the 6 off of 2 paper coupon for the clear roll, double dipped with the BOGO coupon in our app. I used the 10 off of 70. I got back $4 for the clear roll hair color. Got back $10 for spend 20 on Eucerin, another $5 for buying 2 of the Axe body spray, and a $2 for buying 2 of the body wash. I submitted my receipt to Fetch and I got back 3,000 points. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $6 or 60 cents each. The next deal I'll be picking up will be on the Printable detergent. It's on sale for $5.99 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'll be picking up 2 and I'll be using 2 of the $3 off of 2 coupon we got from our 3-5 savings set. That will take off $4, leaving me to pay just $7.98 and I'll get $2 back, making both items $5.98 or $2.99 each. But I have a 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT I received in my email that I'll be adding to this transaction. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the buy 2 get $4 back on Colgate toothpaste, and this is a limit of 2. I'll pick up 2 of the Max Fresh, priced at $4.79. If you have anyone cheaper at your store, that will be a better deal. Everybody received a 4 off of 2 in our app today, and I have this $1 coupon I got from my email from Colgate. I am sure that I started getting this coupon in my email after I printed coupon from their website. You know how they ask you to put in your email and your zip code? It was after that I randomly get email coupon from them. When both coupons apply, it will leave me to pay just $4.58 if I'm doing this by itself, and I'll get $4 back, making both items 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Dove hand soap. It's part of the buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. It's priced at $5.29 and I'll be picking up 2. I'll also use a BOGO coupon from Match Unilever that will take off $4.49, and we have another $1 in our app that will double dip. It will bring it down to $2.48. I'll pay that and I'll get $2 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Fetch and I'll get 750 points for each one of them. I'll also be repeating this Air Wick deal in this card to help me to get to 40. It's the same as I explained earlier on. With the 2 BOGO coupon, both of them will end up being free. Adding the L'Oreal deal to this transaction, but it doesn't have anything to do with the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT. This is on spend 15, you get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up the mascara price at $14.99 each. I'll just be picking up 1 because that's within the 98% rule. I'll be using this $2.50 from 3-5 savings set. It expired on the 18th of March, but I can still use it. And this is the instant CRT we received last week, and everybody received another one this week as well. And I have another 3 off of 15 next purchase CRT for L'Oreal Cosmetics that will apply to this. This is how you combine 2 thresholds. When you're using more than 1, all you have to make sure that you meet the total requirement to be able to use both. After all the coupons and the CRT come off, I will end up paying just $5.49 and I'll get $5 back, making both items 49 cents or 24 cents each. The next deal I'll be picking up will be the Garnier Facial Care. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 back, and it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. I'll pick up 2 of the Blackhead Eliminating Scrub, priced at $7.49. 1 will be full price and 1 will be half off. Both of them will come up to $11.24, and I have a 2 off of 10 CRT that apply to this, which is another threshold CRT that I'm adding to this transaction. I'm able to meet all requirements for all 3 of them. We all received a $2 app coupon today, but if you have today's savings set, There is a 5 off too that will be able to work with this transaction as well, and that will be a better deal, but I don't have mine yet. I went on coupons.com and I printed out another $2. When all $6 come off, I will end up paying just $5.24 and I'll get $5 back, making both items 24 cents or 12 cents each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction, with the 8 off of 40, 3 off of 15 for the L'Oreal, and also 2 off of 10 for the Garnier facial care. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and these are all the items I picked up. This is actually my best transaction this week. All my coupons came off very well, the Colgate, the Airwick, and also the Dove. I ended up using just $15 extra care box for this transaction, paid $3.72 out of pocket, and I got back $4 for buying 2 Colgate, $5 for buying 2 of the Garnier, and another $5 for doing the spend 15 for the L'Oreal Cosmetics. I got back $2 for the Dove hand soap and another $2 for the Persil. And I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got back 750 points twice for buying 2 of the Dove hand soap. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $4.50 money maker. And if you made it this far, I would like to say another thank you for sticking with me, and I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye.